Kasin Alfred'S Secondary School Marngar, Kalalong Lahduh hakajing penha perda no eka district level inter-school athletic meet arhajar arpusan kabalai sngi bala penlong deka office u district sports officer Ri-Bhoi district kabala sedang nadu kakhat santarik mentau benai hamadan NSCA paham sim hadin kajing yat bet yat renti jong kalumpung da kajing shim benta shidrhem jong ki lai pun riu tuli ki school baper ka Ri-Bhoi district kate kalumpung da kajing job kalapoi no shakabakut menta kasngi khat nyau tarik Yayong hadin baki khana kan thei bat shinrang na ki school baper kila yo ban pen I bat sei madan ya laki sapi phong yagate kalumpung gele ka sports lawan ban penha perda do deputy commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi u Abhilash Baranwal kumukongsan ha ka jingadan lang u additional SP ka Ri-Bhoi u Naman Kumar ka kongke Bijarwa district school education officer Ri-Bhoi ba Bobby L Nongbet district sports officer lambat ki khot ka RBDSA kinong hikai bat ki khana school ki balawan bane shimbanta Hagane kasngi penkut nagalyang ki bor penyat ki lasa mi ki takama bat ki trophy harengkat ki sernot chabaro ki nong job haki jingya ko paper hakaba kasin Alfred'S Secondary School kala yo ban khorya ka nam Lahduh hadien bakala khorya shibon tli ki khusnam nadu ka best team haka kerdan under 14 jong ki kenthei under 16 jong ki kenthei but under 18 jong ki shinrang bat kenthei ki wek school ki bala yo ban ra ka best team kan thop ya ka MEECL Secondary School haka under 14 jong ki shinrang St Jude Secondary School under 16 jong ki shinrang bala sam ru ki khusnam cheki rang bat ki thei ki ba khorya ka nam ki ba nongyele kai ki ba kan sai tam haka te ka lumpung Nagalyang ko office jong district sports officer kala pentepru bakinong job hakane kalumpung kin sayo e kala ban pentrip shushu elade hakine ki sngi ki ban wan ban pen khre khamba ha shushu nagabanta ka state level inter school athletic meet 8000 arpusan ka ban salong hanong ba Shillong
Bib number 2, school bib number 301, and Priyanka Mani of Nongtro Higher Secondary School of our BP Higher Secondary School, bib number 54. These medal winners, please run to the victory.
Has been an extremely successful district level inter-school athletic meet 2025. So for that, I wholeheartedly congratulate our district sports officer Bobby and his entire team for having an extremely meticulously planned and flawlessly executed event. So Bobby, many congratulations. Simultaneously, I've not really witnessed the entire event, but the only event that I could witness the kind of rivalry and the competition and the zeal with which the children have participated, that is also displayed in the numbers who have gathered here. So I congratulate everyone and anyone and everyone who have been a part of this Athletic Meet 2025 for the enthusiasm, for the zeal and for the determination that you have shown in participating in this meet. I would not like to take much time, you guys are waiting for the prize distribution, but the only thing that I would want to say from the platform that I have been given is that sports is something that you should not leave when you have left the school, because it will enable you to become a better person, better citizen. So that's the only request that I would like to make. Consider me as your elder brother. From what I have learned is that through sports you will build your character. Through sports you will not only take care of your fitness, but simultaneously through sports, if you are good, if you are hardworking, the kind of opportunities that will open up for you is absolutely amazing. For example, we have the Minkin Christian High Secondary School whose students have gone to France for participating in the Indo-French football tournament. who have won the Subrata Cup, which is an international football event. So that could only be possible because of sports. So sports is something that you should take seriously, even though it's a fun thing to do, but simultaneously it should be pursued with all the seriousness. And as I said, it's not something that you will leave at the door of your school when you will graduate from your